Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook Alfredo sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and about 1 1/4 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Ensure your ingredients are at room temperature for optimal blending. This makes for a smoother sauce, preventing curdling and ensuring consistent creaminess. Begin by melting 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over low to medium heat. Once melted, add 2 minced cloves of fresh garlic to the butter, stirring gently. Sauté the garlic for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant, but do not let it brown. This step builds the foundational aromatic flavors for your rich sauce, providing a delicate, savory essence. It is crucial for developing the characteristic deep taste. Next, pour in 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, gradually increasing the heat to a gentle simmer. Do not allow the cream to boil vigorously, as this can cause it to separate or become grainy. Stir the mixture continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes, letting it reduce slightly. This gentle reduction helps concentrate the flavors and starts to thicken your sauce naturally. Remove the saucepan from the heat, then slowly whisk in 1 1/4 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, a little at a time. The residual heat will melt the cheese into a velvety consistency. Season your sauce with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Adjust these seasonings as needed, ensuring a perfect balance of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.